So today I pulled up to property that I haven't been to in years, right? Show you. Beautiful home that I renovated. This was like my second or third property, okay? Check it out. The grass, tenant moved out. All right, check it out. I bought the Lambo. Shout out to my Lambo. All right, let's go inside and see what's going on. First, let me show you the backyard. This is what it looks like in the back. All right, backyard, everything. All right, let's go. Now let's see what it looks like on the inside. All right. Tennessee. That's me. Hey. Got some hair weave up there. Who needs some weave? They said they moved out. 1, 2, 3. Ah! So how about that? Closet. Let's go. This is the master bedroom. Let's go to the living room. Doors, locks damaged. A lot of damages. All the walls. It smells funky in here. Let's go into the kitchen. Ooh. Ew, it stinks. They said they moved out. Canned goods. Who needs canned goods? Protein. The stove was left on. I just turned it off. Look at all that grease. Oh. Brand new refrigerator. Looks like crap. Let's go in. Just check. Ew, stinks. Look at all the bugs. Look at all the bugs. Brand new refrigerator. Look at all the bugs. Oh. 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 All right. Newly renovated property that we just did. And they moved out. So they say. All right. It was worse than this. Let's go to the other side. Another bedroom right here. Brand new ceiling fan. Dust all over. Brand new windows. Brand new doors. Off the hinge. See that? Floor's damaged. No door locks. Off the hinge. All the stuff left here. Bathroom. Brand new everything. Brand new cabinets. Damaged. Oh! That's me again. You want to be a real estate investor? You gotta have a stomach for this stuff. Bathroom. Again, everything was brand new. It was newly renovated. Door damaged. Looked like they never changed the AC filter one time. Brand new AC unit. Other room right here. All the doors are off the hinges. They took all the blinds or whatever that is. Another room right here. All right. Door off the hinge. Tell me what y'all think, okay? This tenant said they moved out. And check the page. See a bunch of pictures that we posted. The same house that they said they moved out of. They came back and cleared some of the stuff out, but still left a bunch of other stuff. All right. There you have it. You know what y'all think? This is your boy JB from Savannah, flipping Savannah. And this is another project that we got to get into and repair and put it back on the market for sale or for rent. Tell me what y'all think about this tenant saying they moved out. Peace.